Morning, guys. It's 7:50 and I've gone cross country across the campground to find this trail, and 5.2 miles to the Cathedral Lakes. So that's where I'm going to be headed today. I feel pretty good. I got a nosebleed today. I don't know if you can still see the remnants. I hadn't had a nosebleed all trip, and then I got one. So I was like, oh great. But doing okay, ready to move, ready to finish this trail, although it won't be today. And so I'm gonna head towards Cathedral Lake. So that's pretty much what's going on. So I have 4.3 miles to go to get to Cathedral Lakes. And so that's what I'm gonna do. And I hear it's supposed to be breezy today, but hopefully not too breezy. I guess we'll find out, huh? So I just ran into a couple people and asked me where I was going, and I told them Cathedral Lakes for today. And then after that, the junction to Clouds Rest. And they told me make sure I stock up on water before I leave Cathedral Lakes, because there's 6 to 8 miles, which is basically my entire trek for tomorrow, where there is no water to stock up on. Sunrise Camp is dry, everything's dry. So I'll probably just super hydrate in the morning, refilter water, and I mean, it's pretty much all downhill, so that's going to help a lot when it comes to the water, which is great. Except, I don't know, the downhill might be really rough. But so that's what I'll do, a 6 to 8 mile dry stretch. Maybe I could find some though, I don't know. And then there should be water where I plan to camp. And after that, I'm just, 6.3 miles away from the end. I'm completing the entire John Muir Trail. So I was really grateful for that info. I had heard that there's dry spots, but it helped clarify exactly how much. So, I mean, even if I do run out of water, odds are I'll probably only have like a few miles left anyway. So I'll be okay. I'll just be thirsty. I suppose I could always beg for water if I needed to, but I'll be alright. So, I don't know why I'm going downhill right now. It's very random. But I'm sure I'll be going back uphill soon, because what goes down must come up until you get past Cathedral Pass, and then it's pretty much, all downhill. Very steep. It's not Half Dome. At least, no, I can't be that close. No, it's not Half Dome. It's miles away. A little bit better view. Just a second. Oh, these trees are kind of in the way. It's a lot of granite though. Holy snikes, that's a big rock. That is a big rock. Wonder what caused that to form like that. Wow. Still mostly forested. Oh, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you?
Good, you?
I'm good, thanks.
Good. Morning.
Morning. Morning. Thanks. So, still mostly forested. Kind of boring a little bit, but that's really cool. And yeah, I don't want to film much of just the route winding through the forest. That's not the most interesting, as I said before. But I hear there's a view from Cathedral Pass, so of course you will get that. And as I arrive at Cathedral Lakes, I haven't decided if I'll hike a half mile to the lower one or not. We'll see. We'll see what time I get there, how I feel. I'm about a mile and a half from Cathedral Lakes. The sky is still hazy. Nice easy trail at the moment. Saw another hiker, and he warned me again about the water situation. He also told me exactly where I can get water along my trek tomorrow. There's one spot, and I will fill up there if I have lots of water. So that goes to the lower Cathedral Lake. Now I should start going uphill again. Good, how are you?
Fantastic.
Good.
Where are you headed to today?
Just Cathedral Lake.
Oh,
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thanks. I know I should be like pretty much there, so.
You are.
Oh, okay. It's
So
like
up. This is upper. Are you going to upper?
yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's right here.
Okay, cool. Awesome. And the trail goes right by it, or do I take the offshoot here?
Yeah. So there's a few. I mean, down there's one, but here's another, and then I think there's another one that gets there. But this will get you to the south part of it.
Okay.
Yeah. I think it's the trail stays probably just 50 feet off, or a few hundred feet off the lake.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks.
Yeah. Well, have a good one.
Thanks. You too.